Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to basically talk about errors in Excel. So what are these errors? So we say that errors are a common and often frustrating part of working with this software called Excel. So such errors range from simple to complex formula problems. So here is a comprehensive guide on how to understand these common errors and also find out maybe some possible ways of avoiding them. How do we fix some of them? So let us start with this error, this one that you're seeing here. So there's this one. What does this mean? This error means that the column isn't wide enough to accommodate the information put there. Are you seeing that? So if the column isn't wide enough, how can we fix it? So the only way of fixing it is by widening the column. How do you widen the column? This is it. You widen the column. I think you've seen that. Simple as that. So let's check another type of error. I think this one that has division by 0. This error. It means somehow, somewhere, we did a division by 0. How did it come about? Let me do it again here. For example, when I say cell A1, I'm dividing it by cell B2, which has 0. What's the result and answer? I think you can see. So it means that basically somehow, somewhere, we were dividing a number by 0. So that's the error we are seeing. So how do we fix that? So we need to make sure that the value in the denominator is a non-zero number. For example, I can decide and say, let me change now B1 to maybe 2. So when I change B1 to 2, let us check if the error will come again. No. Check. I'm getting A1 and then dividing it. I'm dividing A1 by B2. So what's the result and answer? It is 35. We have fixed that error. So let us look at the next error. That is that one that you're seeing, hashtag value. So what does that mean? What does it mean? It means that Excel doesn't recognize text in this formula. Are you seeing that? So how did it come about? Let's try to do it again and see. Basically, maybe there was text. It could be that there was a misspelling in function. Then maybe we were doing a calculation, maybe involving words, and at the same time with numbers. Check this. I'm having F4 that is containing, or PO, that's a name, and I'm adding it to what we call P2. So what does it bring? I think you can see, meaning that Excel does not recognize this. So what do we do? How do we correct that? We should ensure that whatever operation that we are doing, the values there correspond. Let me give an example to there. That is 4. I think that is B4 and then C4. Check. So let me do it here. I will say that I'm going to have my B4. I'm adding it to C4. So I think here now it is clear, meaning that whatever operation we do, we should ensure that the values are the same so that we avoid these errors. So those are some of the common errors we have in Excel. So for more errors, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.